Okay, so let's do this. I was having a lunch and felt kind of good, and I would like to finish all the tests, especially because they're existing tests. These should not be failing, or some of the new ones, because it's not the new features. Then it makes sense to expect that everything should be more or less working, maybe some minor tweaks. So I would like to get today all the tests green again, maybe have some commit, and then eventually maybe release alpha version. And the next would be adding the new tests for the new features, and we will see. So let's jump into it. Okay, so let me try this that I just fixed. Okay, so what is this actually? How is it looking? How is it looking? Good. It's looking good. I'm getting no data message in the YouTube studio. I'm really bad at this, but hopefully you will understand. Two tests failed, so there is probably some failing tests as well. It did fail actually, so let's check what's there. Failed. Well, let's see how the test actually looks like in here. Oh, good. Good. So, it's a different window. It's the Northwind Select. Let's do a little bit of formatting. Set SQL. We can remove that. We can remove the async. We can do the return part. And let's do this. So this should solve this one. And that means we will have this test green. And that should be it for this one. TPT, let's do TPT many to many. Ooh, yeah, there was a lot of failing tests. This was the same. The invalid operation exception. I don't want to go into this one. Many to many, that's probably going to be the same. Yes, that's still failing. TPT filters, was I there before? Oh, that's the drinks ID. Can I use type bird, for example? Let's check that one. Run it. It failed already. Running, build succeeded, failed. That's fine. It's fine, it's fine. What's the name? TPT. Wow. Let's delete everything. Run the test. And let's wait for the database. I want to see what is actually how does the table look like? Show table drinks. ID integer not null. This is no null. Okay. TPT filters inheritance test. TPT filters inheritance test. That's it. Theory Can I copy paste it from somewhere? I can. So this is it. What's the test about? Asset filtered query. So it's probably failing. Probably failing during the initialization, I guess. Let's debug the test to see when it's actually failing. Oh. Let's do it again. Debug. Yep. So it might be that the ID is not generated or something. Initialize. That's it. Invoke. So it's seeding the data. Use generated keys is through. I mean, on BERT. Maybe. On model creating. And I believe I have a helper method. Set primary key generation. Yes. Let's see. One failed. So that was for the sake of testing. Let's do the debug. So I have execute command and let's check this command text. Sort index. So it's not creating the table the way it should be. Show table drinks. Yeah, so it's not now, it's primary key, but the trigger is not being generated. Huh. says sequence trigger. Does not really matter what it is. Let me do this and let's debug it again. Oh, it's failing sooner. No, that's the database in use. I'm pretty sure, right? Yep. Is it? The property already has value generated on add. Okay. Let me check what's actually in here. Use key sequences. Maybe my code is not correct because it already has. I mean, it already has. It already has. Well, okay, let's try this one. We'll debug it and force the primary key. What's there? I like this one. Identity column. Huh. Is it? Well, okay, let's force it into this one. Nope, I want to force it. There is actually ID birds ID. Of course. It is generating the new ID. Is the new ID null? It is because the comma. I don't understand that. Interesting. Drinks. That's fine. Insert into drinks. There's a before insert three. How? I don't understand it. Values, I don't know, 1. Returning ID. with this ID. Use. How is it that the trigger is not? If new ID is, it is now. Let me force that one just to be sure. So it's null and one. Drinks ID, that makes absolute sense, but there should be a trigger for it. Show trigger. Why is it not firing? ID birds, ID table birds. Oh, drinks. I'm not on birds, I'm on drinks. Oh, that might be it. That might be it, actually. So this is not it. Oh, there is no. Wait a minute, that's probably inheritance. I drink. Table Coke. There's nothing for the drinks. That's weird because it's definitely here. Coke. Something is not aligning for me. Then here there is a Coke and tea and whatnot. Oh. Yeah. It is an inheritance, yeah. There is a drink. Yeah. It is actually creating the drink. Is it aligned? Is everything aligned? Let me get a context. There's something around context. No? I want methods only. What is a method? Cannot get context. Well, let's put a breakpoint in here and check whether the drink is actually there. Yep, database in use. Good. So let me check. So we have the animal, bird, Coke based drink. That's fine. Daisy, oh, drink. For some reason, the drink is not there. Can I get the long view? Maybe I can. So we have a Coke based drink. That makes sense. Daisy, eagle. I guess it's alphabetical. Yes, it is. Huh. What if I do model builder entity drink? That would be stupid. I don't have the namespaces. Whatever. Does not make much sense because it is not in here. This one, there is a drink. Hmm. Let's try it anyway. No, it's weird. Why? Why is it not there? They're not doing any specific stuff. Same with the SQL Server. Could it be that I am doing something wrong? I don't know. I don't know. Let me check something because YouTube is still shouting at me that the bitrate is not right. Hopefully it's fine. Let me quickly check my settings. Not that I can change it midway. It is probably correct. I'm having some Okay, hopefully it's going to play out fine. So why is this not working? Why is this not working? Okay, so let's do Coke as base type, but it has a base type of drink. It is already there, so that's in the model. Why is the drink? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me remove this one, run the test, and check what's in the database actually. Yep. There's drinks. So it created the correct one. There are no triggers in the database. Ah. Maybe my original code was okay. But it was there anyway. Coke. It actually created it. And it's identity. Oh, it's using the identity, and it might be that I'm not actually generating that stuff properly. Where it is? Update internal. No, it's not update. It's how is it called? Migrations. There it is. There should be create table. Create table, yes. Let's check that. For now, we don't need the update. Let's remove this one for a brief moment and debug it. Yes, I know, I'm holding the database. Create table countries. I don't care about that one. Drinks, great. So what do we have in the builder? Create table drinks, internal primary key. Okay, that makes sense. That's okay. Ah, okay. I'm actually not generating the identity properly. Uh-huh. Column definition. This should be it. Let's try again. Yep, that's fine. Column definition. The table is countries. I don't care about it one. Still countries. Now it's drinks. The name is ID. Okay. There's no value generation strategy? That's weird. But maybe what we are doing. Huh. It does not have. Oh, I got it probably. SQL Server fixture. Let me show this. Use key sequences. Configure model sequence per hierarchy. It's huh. Wait a minute. Oh. This one. Oh, it's the SQL. No. Yep, there's nothing that would be generating that. Makes sense. Okay. Mm-hmm. Good. I think I understand it now. So I can do something else. Okay. Because something was setting this to the identity. What's the table name? Animal. Okay. Let's do bird, Coke. What's there? Identity column. So it's Coke, basis drink, country, Daisy, drink. Does not really matter. It is already identity column. So why? Wait a minute. So in the model, I already have it as I know what it is. It's set. No, it's not. I don't need this one. The annotation on add, that makes sense. Oh, no, it's not on the model. All the annotations, FB value generation strategy, that's fine. And the value identity column. Okay, so there is. So identity column. Okay, so it is an identity column. Means that my migrations are probably not correct. I think I need to check also the model, or there's a method for that. I'm pretty sure there's a method for that. Get column type. I'm just checking it. Anyway. Oh, there's create table columns. No, that's fine. That's what I'm actually. Create table columns, create table constraints. I think I need to check. Column type. No, that's just a type. That would be weird. That's that column type collation, not null, default value. I think I need to check. I need to check for. For SQL Server. SQL Server migrations internal. There it is. Create table columns. That will be definitely in column. Oh. Is there anything that would... Let's do this. Identity. So I am actually doing something wrong, I believe, I guess. Let me try again. So this is useless. Is it ever going into it? Probably not. Oh, it is. Wait, what's the table? Country. Okay, it's actually something completely unrelated. Yep. Create table. Countries, I don't care. Drinks. Yes, that's the table I do care about. Could it be column operation? Was there nothing on annotations? I think this is a bug and it should be checked on the model level as well, because this is the same story. Yeah, there is the value generation strategy. And it says identity column. So I think the correct approach would be something like this. That means we need to check the rest of the stuff. Yep, I don't care. What's the table name? Countries, I don't care about this one. Countries. Drinks, awesome. Now it works. Not now, and that's it. Okay, let's see. Create table countries failed. Is it because something is stuck there, or because I'm doing something wrong? Okay. And I'm running on Firebird 4. Yeah, that makes sense. So this one should be this. Not sure about the alter operation. Anyway, let's think about it later. This is done. Okay, for the alter, well, you could change. I think it is correct, actually. We will see what's going to break. Okay, but this is still failing. Create table countries failed. Good, kind of. Okay. Oh, yeah. Definitely not. That makes sense. Okay, at least I know what the issue is. Let me clean up my stuff. So yeah, this is wrong. That's what we are working on. This is done. And this is done as well. Column is not null. Empty value SQL and default value is null. And I'm interested in this column. Whoa. Raining like hell. Is there anything that would be checking? No, not at all. Huh. Huh. I mean, hmm. The problem is that I think that uh, the operation does not have that. And it's checking only the operation, the identity column. I mean, I mean, use key sequences. But this is setting it on the model itself. Shouldn't be propagated into that one, or I don't know. So maybe it's just setting it on the model. Let me try something. Use key sequences. So let's do use sequence triggers. Because why not? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Huh. Still not there. It makes absolute sense because I'm doing something else. It's countries, drinks. Let me put a breakpoint in here. It is null because it's not on the come on. Yeah. No. Okay, so the problem is that I think I have no, let me double check. I think on the model itself, I have, oh, yeah, that's fine. Forget about it. Let me double check. So on the model itself, if I check the model, debug view, long view, animal value generated on at. That's bird, Coke. And this is just the IDs. Drink. It is said value generated on at. But it's not. Ah, I know what's wrong, probably. If I go in here, there is, I'm checking the model strategy. Okay. Yes. So I guess if I do, there's now written as the identity column. So it says the proper, no. Huh. It's not there. So if I do model builder, use sequence triggers before that, yeah, it says it on the model itself. Yep, it removes, it adds the annotation, returns the model builder. So now if I go in here and jump into this, then the model strategy should be sequence trigger. Makes, okay. but it's okay. Okay. Generate. Create table operation countries. I don't care. Still the countries. Next one is drinks. It's not there, obviously. It's a problem for future me. What's the sort index? Okay, if I go in here, I get some columns, obviously. Ah, Anyway, if my understanding is correct, if I do model builder, entity drink, and use what I want, property, no, property ID, use sequence trigger, then it should work. At least the test. Run. Feeling confident. Animals. ID. Okay, that's probably the same stuff. Yes. Okay, so that's fixed. But why do I have to? I mean, why is it not propagated into? I think somewhere I'm losing the information. In the code. Let me check where. What the hell? This looks weird as if condition's empty. Maybe something that I forgot. Oh, I know why it's empty. It's in case I would need to do something else. I think this method might not be absolutely correct. This should be probably or, like the, this is this one. That's fine. Yeah. This is tests. That's fine. The migration generator. Anyway. So there's this one. No, that's okay. Property. This one is on property builder. Model. That's fine. Not that it. This. Of course, I'm wrong in my code. Not that it's. Okay. Just in case it was this, I highly doubt it. Run it. It's still green. Still green. So I fixed the convention. This one is not important. This one is not important. Let's comment this one out and run it again. Oh, yeah, no, that was not it. That was something else. Huh. Let me put a note so I actually create table operation column operation does not have model annotation identity / sequence, and I will create a small test case. Maybe that will solve it. And before I close this one completely, let's check SQLite. Use generated keys false. Okay, so on SQLite, it's even TPC. That's still fine. Where is it? There is it. Use generated keys. I'm just checking whether there is something. Oh, it's in the seed. Use generated keys. Create animals. There's nothing on use generated keys. Oh yeah, there is actually. Oh, it's just this. I mean, plant should be same stuff. Plant doesn't have an ID. Okay, that makes sense. That's an abstract. What is this? Okay, anyway, so that's fine. Kiwi. Okay. Good, so this is solved, hopefully. Let's run the whole suit. And it only took me like 1 hour. Please, oh yes. So this one, that means this should be fixed as well. No? Oh, it's inheritance. Good. Let's make this a little bit clear. All right. TPT inheritance query viewer. TPT inheritance query, not viewer. Query, yes, this one. And it was with the filters. The fixture, actually. And close this one. I can remove this one because there's nothing in this one. Kind of a cleanup. And let me go into this one. Boom. Okay. So that's green. What's in here? Same stuff. Now that's the invalid operation exception. This is probably the same stuff. Invalid operation exception. There's the many to many. So I guess it will be the same in here. Oh, it was with the, let me copy paste or open this one. Yes. Huh. Yeah, the key one and key two. Okay, that's something that I can probably solve. Many too many. We need a fixture. Give me a breakpoint in here. Actually, give the breakpoint in here. And let's debug this test. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot more of new entities. Uni something it was. No? What was the error? No, it's not. It's not in the model. It's weird. Oh, down. Okay, that makes sense. Oh yeah. So I think I need to check this one. ID. Okay. Composite key 1 and composite key. Okay, I'm looking at wrong. There it is. Composite key. Is it one? Unidirectional entity composite key. Unidirectional entity composite key. Yeah, entity root. Do I still have it in? No, I don't. Why are you doing this to me? And lucky for me, it's just a few characters. Let's try this. That's not even a thing. This one and this one, I guess. Okay. The good thing is that when I solve this one, all the failures will be gone because it's failing on creating the stuff. What I'm actually looking at. something like name. Key 1. How does it actually look like? It's, whoa. This one is matching the root as well. Oh yeah. Just for the sake of testing, let's put here 40. That should be enough. Because Firebird 4 has a longer identifier. Forty was not, but it's the identifier. It's not a failure. What is it? 63, I believe. And 63 should be enough for, yes. So it's the identifier length. But as I mentioned before, I still support Firebird 3. So it should run on Firebird 3 as well. Or is it time to ditch Firebird 3? That would be the easy way out. Okay, let me try something. Model builder, get get entity types for each var. By the way, from a different, well, no, I will focus on this one. Okay, never mind. So entity type table. Set table name. And it will be entity type dot name replace unidirectional entity. Will save us with UE. Let's try running it. Still failing. Because failing on a column name. Yeah. Get properties. So this will be property set column name property dot name replace hopefully that will be enough. Hopefully that will be enough. If not, then I'm kind of running out of ideas. Oh man. And this one, let's run that. Hope for the best. And we are again hour and a half in. That's crazy. Index already exists. Okay, well maybe it wasn't a bad idea with the entity type as well. Set table name, and we can do this. Is this enough? I don't know. You know what sucks? Before I started streaming, I would sit here for like 3 hours and it would be fine. Now I look at the stream and it says already 1 hour and 28 minutes, which is like, that sucks. Name longer than database column size. Ah. Almost there. What is the command actually saying, doing? Yeah, I don't need this. Come on. What is the SQL? Whoa. Why is this even a thing? It's probably generated, right? Entity composite key. Where is this coming from? Let's hope it's not in the store model. It's not. That's interesting. Why is it using the full? Oh. Wait a minute. It might be me actually doing something stupid. Whoa. Really? So let me check. I mean, it's clearly there. Why is it suddenly using this long name? Who is actually setting it this way? Nobody. Oh, that's the relation. Um, oh, no, I don't understand it. Why is it suddenly? Why is it suddenly with a full name? Oh, short name. Maybe it's me doing something wrong. There's a name. What is the short name doing? Ah, got it. So if I do, is there a short name here as well? Probably not. Yeah, that would be weird. Let's try again. Yay! Hmm. Okay. Maybe we can replace. Huh. static string shorten string probably not the best idea, but it's tests anyway. Just u and your initial entity just ua. Hopefully, I don't know. Something like this. Why do I need link? I don't need link. Okay, run. You join 1 to 3 payload full shared failed. Makes sense. It would be easier to just use the uppercase letters. Would that make sense? I don't know how to shorten this one. Join 1 to 3 payload. Full shared. So I need payload full shared. I need to save 6. Replace J1 3. That's stupid. Run again. Ha! Really? Well, probably it was enough. So let's try this and see what's what. Oh, yes. Oh, only one failed. Outer apply. Yes. Yes, that's beauty. That's beauty, beauty, beauty. Run again. What's the time? 1:40. We have 20 minutes. Okay, run this. Hopefully it's the same. No tracking. 2 failed. Hopefully it's the same test. It is. At least it looks like. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I'm starting to get cocky and thinking about versioning. But that's probably too Too soon. Yes, 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 it's maybe the same. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. We can remove this one. Please. Oh, yes. Let's run all of them. Yes. Keep going. Keep going. Ah, I know what it is. We all know what it is. Yes. Outer apply. TPT. Too many. Yes, yes, yes. I have the generated name too long. Maybe I can fix that as well. I think the idea was that I will fix it eventually. And I guess the same will be for node tracking. Let me just put it there. No errors. Close and close. And let's run the full suite. Let's do it. So far, so good. Keep going, keep going. 1400, 1500 tests. Still going strong. Love it. So far, so good. $3,000. Oh. I think there was a few tests before that are running like super long. Might be the same story. Maybe I even have long execution effect. So maybe there's a few of these. Yeah, Northwind include it was. What's spinning now? Northwind where? Include is fine. What's spinning in where? Doesn't look like there's a one test that's taking way too long. It's probably just doing its thing. By the way, guys, the reason why I disabled a few tests that were taking too long was that on the CI/CD in GitHub Actions, it was timing out basically. Because I think even on my machine, it takes like 25 minutes to finish the test. Maybe on Firebird 5 or Firebird 4, it will be better, but still I'm testing on Firebird 3 as well. And I think after like 2 hours, I gave up on the CI/CD and just said, "Hey, I will disable this one, and in the future we can enable it." But it's green, and I'm going a little bit into the red, so that's not good. It will be clipping, but it's green. Awesome. So let's check what I actually did. That's okay. This is the magic shorten one. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay as well. Yes, yes. That's the shorten one. Could be probably, I'll just leave it there. This is fixed. So let's do this as a progress. Fix condition. That's about it. And well, one might say EF7 is done, but that's not exactly right. Anyway, there's something, well, there's still nobody, and that's fine. In case somebody is actually watching this later, there is one thing that I would like to kind of figure out. At the moment, kind of for historic reasons, we are, or actually I am, versioning the provider the same way. Well, all the providers the same way, which let's say is fine-ish. It was fine-ish in EF6 where these two were kind of aligned, but not anymore, I would say, because if I change something in a provider, I'm also incrementing the version number in the EF core and vice versa. So I was thinking about splitting these, but I don't know how to do about it. Like how to handle it. Obviously, it would change the version like for the last time, and then these versions of it would diverge. It would make more sense to me, but obviously for like people, developers, it might make sense to keep the versions the same. What kind of pisses me off the most is that if I, but let me check, so I'm actually not lying, but all the way from the 7, we didn't change anything in the Firebird client except for adding the .NET 7 target, which is really not needed. It was just, hey, let's add it and see what's going to happen. Or actually, I will add something. So it is still fine-ish to keep it in sync. Anyway, what was my thought? Yeah, so I was thinking about splitting these two versions for obvious reasons, because the idea was especially the like the reverse direction. If I update something in the entity framework provider, I increment the version and it also changes the provider. So even though you might be using only the provider, not the EF core, you are using some other tools, you get a new version, but there's nothing new. Yeah, that kind of sucks, especially if I do some breaking change in EF core, then it does not necessarily mean to be a breaking change in the provider itself. So yeah, let me know what you think and how to actually do the splitting. Okay, and let's do final. So we can remove the 7. Let's remove the branch 7. Let's do the rebase on top of master. And let's, whoa, that was not what I wanted. And let's squash everything because there's a huge mess that I created as I was updating it. And for now, let's call it net 70 and EF core 70 and around. Okay. Updates FB fixture. We actually removed that file. Probably we did. Let me check. Maybe I was incorrect. Let's call it this way. So SQL Server, what we are looking at? The functional tests, specification tests, SQLite functional, there it is. Yeah, there is nothing that relates to updates in SQL Server. Let's check the SQLite functional tests. Maybe it was removed. Really? Nothing? Let me even check what was in the file. And let's check the relational tests query, just in case. No, it should be specification. Really nothing. What was the file name? Again, just to double check. Query no client eval. There is this one. So I was wrong. That file needs to go back and updates SQLite. Update SQLite fixture. There is this file, but it's in graph updates. What is it? Updates relational tests. Okay, so these two files should go back. And what would be the best way to do it? Probably copy from NuGet, right? Not from NuGet, from GitHub. Nope. No docs. Source, functional tests. Updates FB fixture. Oh, I removed the fixture. What I am doing? There it is. It's not in query, it's in. There it is. Okay, so I actually inlined it. It was there before. Makes sense. And I will check other stuff. What was the other file? Query no client eval. Maybe it was inlined as well. Yeah, it was. The fixture was removed. Okay, that's fine. And in the meantime, well, not in the meantime, let me check the branch and check actually. Some changes I did. So this is the table names, that's fine. This was deleted, this is fine. Use sequence trigger. I'm thinking that maybe this could be replaced. with the code that was on the screen before. Yeah, maybe. Um, um, let me copy paste that code. I think this is not correct because this one is actually checking, does it have a generation strategy? And it will say, yes, there is a one on model, and we don't want that. That's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Let's close both windows. Check this, okay. And I still have 2 minutes left for something. What do I want? Actions. It failed. It's fine. The current SDK does not support. Well, it's good to know. So I will fix that as well. Notepad probably is fine. Yeah, no. There it is. So we need .NET 7 point something, just in case there's something wrong, or there's a new version or something. Setup.NET version 3, apparently, and I'm using version 1, so let's do version 3. Anything else? Probably not. So that's the version 3. Let's do the quick version check on this one. Check out version 3. Let's leave that for later. So the upload artifacts. And there is actually something that I have on the... No. Yeah, this is one. Check out... I don't know why I have it this twice. Well, so we are already doing that. This one is solved, I believe. What was this? That was the same stuff. I can close this one. Let's check the actions. So it's actually not immediately failing. And we are 2 hours and 1 minute. So give or take okay-ish, or a bit over. This one is running. .NET 7, okay, so it's checking out .NET 7. Already installed, good. Do I still need the .NET Skip first time experience? Probably I do. Maybe setup.NET is doing that. Let's check that while it's building. Issues. Yeah. Okay. Is it even doing stuff? Should it be true or? It says true. Should it be true or should it be 1? Let's check the SDK. Hope it's in SDK. Yeah, it's using 1. That's fine. Yeah, it's using 1. Absolutely fine. So it's not an SD, but it's not an SDK. Is it in runtime? Probably not. Why would it be in runtime? Yeah, it's using 1. Still fine. So it's an installer. Then .NET slash not performance but installer. Otherwise, I have no idea where this is coming from. No. It is an SDK, maybe. Oh, it's still failing. So looks like it's going to be a little bit longer stream. Whatever. It says it was superseded by .NET No logo. Yeah, that's something else. The no logo, I don't care about it. So why is it failing? Tests. You can't call a method on null valued expression. I'm not saying that I could. But why? It's in a cleanup, and it's failing everywhere. So it's at least cleanup line 5. I don't need this one. Line 5. There's no line 5 in here. Wait a minute. So it's show me raw logs. So it was building. It says prepare, downloading, extracting. It says cleanup. It should be running some tests. Let's So it says downloading, extracting, and nothing there. Let me do one simple stuff. Change this back to 1, just in case. Because I don't want to be hunting demons just because something somewhere changed. But I think it's not the issue. It says cleanup. Obviously it says cleanup. But after it says cannot null valid expression. I think the Firebird did not start, because I don't see starting. I don't see anything. So yeah, that makes sense. It did not start. It was extracting, and there was nothing extracted, actually. Nothing, really. This is the issue. We have some stuff, but yeah, I'll fix that later. Let me do the actions. Let's see. Why would it not start? So it went into extracting, and then it should be doing stuff. Is the 7-zip in there? Why wouldn't it be? But it's true, it was quite some time this was running. Yeah, this was failing for other reasons. Yeah, that's expected. Yeah, no, that's anyway. I've been burning my free time this Saturday, so I will just keep going. I highly doubt that somebody will actually watch 2 hours of this, and it's it's gonna be probably even longer because it's already 2 hours and 12 minutes. But yeah, we will see. I'm saying that my bitrate is lower than the recommended one. Not sure what that means. While this is building, let me click in stuff basically in here to see what's what. The morning stream is still saying it's in SD. Okay. Yeah, I know the null valued expression. That makes absolute sense. That's when it's trying to kill the Firebird process. But why is it not extracting the stuff? Something changed? GitHub Actions installed software. But I highly doubt that they removed 7-zip. That would be like, that would be weird. 7-zip, yeah, 7-zip is there, obviously. Oh no. No. I'm wondering, wait a minute, whether there is a newer action. No, that's the version. It was the last version. And since then, I am actually working on .NET 7. I don't know. Why is it extracting and then it goes to cleanup? Maybe what I can do is get the exception actually, right? Or let's read, why is there no exception? What if I comment this one, this one, this one, and this one, and even the cleanup? The test, push. Yeah, we can cancel this one. It's not going to finish anyway. Firebird 5 should be also updated. Well, you know what that means. More work for me. It's still weird because it says extracting and nothing after that. What was actually... I just downloaded newer 7-zip because I don't think I have that on my machine. What is actually my version? Oh, 2201. So that's fine. What's there? This is fine. Well, I can try locally. Let's do the build, configuration, release. Building. We have a small issue in there, so I can fix that. Oh, it is abstract. Conditional fact. Okay. So this should be fact. I can commit that later. Failing. Ah, of course I messed it up. Is the PowerShell command just to make sure? Yeah. So anyway, fix test. And this is test. We are going to need to squash, push. So it's building in the background. In the meantime, I can rebuild it. Yeah, we can cancel this one and open this one. Yeah, so it's complaining only on .NET 5. Do I have like all or something like that? I don't remember from the top of my head. Let's do, for example, no compression crypt required. So it is downloading. Good. It's working fine. Oh man, really? I can kill that. It's I have now 2 Firebirds running. It's probably the first one. I can close that one. But it extracted it. It says starting. And I guess, yeah, there's the Firebirds with everything. What would be the issue? In the meantime, because it's failing on, we don't know actually where it's failing. We will see in a minute because I commented out try finally. So hopefully it's going to do something important. In the prepare, I don't understand what's there, but for good measure, oh, some already failed. Container cannot be copied onto exiting leaf item. So the CP actually failed. Is there in the tests provided there? Get used to. Ah, of course. Yep. Silly me. I was thinking that there's something that I need to change. Knight 7? Oh. No. Yep. As I changed tests base there, because now I changed the EF6 into .NET 4.8. So I think there should be .NET 4.8 hard coded. Other than that, should be good. Why was I even doing that? It's just on a few places only, really. It's here, then it's there. What was I thinking? Yeah, this is stupid. Is it? Wait a minute. Maybe it's somewhere in here as well. Oh, no. It's on multiple places. No, it's actually not. It's here. Okay, well, then I can keep it. And just hard code the 4.8 on the EF6 because that's done. Where's my EF6? .NET 4.8. Yeah. Let's go to fix. Hit push. That's failing. Let's burn less stuff, I guess. Okay, this is going to be definitely the longest stream I've ever created, but it will be worth it. I hope so. Let's kill this one. Let's check this one. Fingers crossed, 2 hours and 30 minutes. But as I mentioned in the beginning, if I would be alone here, I would be just sitting here and doing stuff. Now it's on stream and it's gigabytes of data wasted. And for the next one, I probably need to check the bitrate, whether it's okay or not or something. I don't know. I don't know. Let's hope for this one to be okay. In the meantime, YouTube recommended bitrate. Do I know what I'm actually using? Bitrate, there it is. So I'm running on 1440. And I'm running, I don't know, some frames per second. I don't know. Ah, there it is, 30. Okay. So I need six. Oh, that does not tell me what the video. Or does it? 16 megabits, so it should be frame rate. I don't know. So how we are looking? Building still. Still building. Something testing already? No? No? EF6? No, really? Ah. Yes, seems to be running. So given it's not failing on my side, then how long does it take to do the build on EF core functional, let's say? It takes 4 minutes and my EF core 1 minute or something, 1 minute 15. So, oh, this is failing. Maybe I was wrong. The tests are, wait a minute. Oh, it's not .NET 4.8, it's still .NET 7. There's the comment. So what I actually did was wrong. It's fine. Not yet there. Or actually, it should be not there yet or something like that, right? So let's amend the last comment, push. Close this one. We can actually leave this one. EF core was fine. Functional. Let's hope on Fiber 3 that will be fine-ish. Let's wait for the next one. Hopefully it's going to be fine. does not really matter. I will be here anyway, and let's make the stream a little bit longer. In the meantime, YouTube, OBS, bitrate. Just give me the number. Ooh, okay. That's 60 FPS. I'm not doing that. 9,000. Okay, so YouTube was probably right. I'm doing 4040p, 6,000, and I am capping on. Okay, I was on full HD before. Yeah. Okay. So YouTube is actually not lying. Hopefully, it will be in HD after. If not, then it's going to suck because no, it still says SD on the morning stream, but I have the full size version, so I will maybe re-upload it or something like that. And then I will adjust my settings. So if there would be some chat, we could chat now, but there isn't. So yeah. I don't even know what kind of bitrate I'm using for audio. That should be probably tweaked as well. Hey, it's working, kind of. Okay. Hopefully I'm saying something as well. It's not muted or something. That would be lame. So EF core, my EF core is functional. I want this one to be green. And once it's green, it's fine-ish. Please work. I don't know whether it's worth watching the screen to go green or red or something like that. Because I have not much else to say, or if I should leave it as a cliffhanger. But I probably wasted enough time to justify continuing, I guess. And we will see what happens. Come on, a little bit faster. A little bit faster, a little bit faster. At least the EF6 is working. and obviously the EF core, but I want the functional tests. Let's hope for the best. Come on, come on. What is this usage doing? Let's open that in the meantime. Oh, it's what actually I've used in terms of minutes. Good. Do I want to release the alpha version? I don't know. If you would ask me at the beginning, I would say yes. If it's green, I will release the alpha. But now I'm kind of in like, hey, let's add the new tests and then release the alpha or beta or whatever. But I will probably release the alpha version at some point in a near future. Not today. I just want this to be green and then just leave. And enjoy the weekend a little bit. Oh, no, it's not. It's embedded. I'm looking actually at this in functional. But I have to say it feels good to finally make some progress and have something that's working. In the meantime, it's still 7.03, the latest version. Where is the versions? 7.04, 11 days ago. So maybe when I update to a newer package, new tests will come, new tests will fail. Oh no. No, I really don't like this. $900 tests failed? Really? What? Name longer than column size. Ooh. Really? That's weird. Maybe I did forget about something. $7,057. 7,057. Okay. Let's run again locally and fix if something is there. Oh, it is actually failing. No. It is or it is not? Oh, it is failing because the Firebird is not running. Stop that. Oh, I'm still running on Firebird 4. Yep, on 4 it's working, on 5 it's working. So I think there's still some dangling issues on 3. Anyway, good to know. With that, it's end of the stream. I will fix that on the next stream with the alpha or something. I don't know. I will figure it out. See you next time. Enjoy the rest of the day.